M0FXB Radtel RT950 Pro. There's new firmware 0.19. Let's take a look. Go to the link that I provide at the bottom here. It says firmware for the Pro model. Right at the bottom it says 0.19, and also there is programming software just above if you need that. So we're just going to click that. Let's take a look at what is inside it. Up here in my downloads, I'm on Google Chrome. Let's have a look. At the top, you've got the updating program, you've got instructions at the bottom, and then you've got some text here that tells you what has changed. Just above that is the actual white bin file that I will click and drag to a space on my desktop here. Let go. If you wait a few seconds, that appears. Let's double click the text that tells us what's changed. Radtel have been so good with this radio, constantly updating and improving, and I think it's an amazing radio. Added APRS working channel settings, added APRS channel mute settings, changed channel name display to use larger font, added configurable APRS pop-up duration, which we need, added new menu option to view received beacon history, which was there when you held down the I think it was the OK button after holding down the VM, which was real. Just hold down the VM. There's your GPS, and then when you press the OK button, the list was there, but now it's in their list. Added a setting to control whether the broadcast radio is interrupted. Modified backlight to stay on when entering radio function. And what they also need to do is give us a brightness setting. We need a brightness setting on this radio. You can select between 960 channel mode and 64 zone mode under menu channel work mode. The side key or headphone jack definition must watch the device, otherwise the audio amplifier may be damaged. Okay, so a little warning there. So let's just load it. So you put your cable on the side, of course, put it into your computer, right click device manager, get your COM port number. Everyone's number is different. Scroll on the left, COM ports, double click left mouse, COM3. Okay, and then we're going to open up the loading program, turn the radio off, and hold the bottom two black buttons, turn on. It says update on the front, which is nice that it does that. And let's go to the loader, which is the top one, double click. Like so, click more info, run anyway. And this is the updater. So at the top, we've got dots. We're going to find the bin file that I put on top, which is here. And COM port we found was 3, and then it's the red one, flashing mode. And that's going in nicely. Quite quick. Fast forward if it's boring. Mazzy's here, she wants a walk. So many people have complained about this radio, said they're going to send it back, but I've also had thousands and thousands of comments of people that say they love this radio, how amazing it is. This is a good radio. This is one of the best radios of all time. It's £65, maybe 70. £65 and you get pretty much everything. Endless fun forever, because these type radios will literally last, you know, longer than we're going to be alive, yeah? So anyone that's complaining about this radio is completely crazy. Completely. Right, we're done. If we go menu, go across with the right arrow, in about, there you go, 19. Like so. Now let's just, well, I think I'm going to do a proper APRS settings test rather than just quickly now. But we will go in the menu. So menu, I'll go to APRS, select, or let's turn on GPS, which it did turn it off, just out of interest. And position, oh yeah, time zone, distance unit, altitude, speed, beacon setup. Oh, it has actually, it's deleted my settings, which is quite annoying. So I could just put it in now, but I'll do it with the software. It's so much quicker. SSID, path, position, station symbols, icons. If we back out, just go menu, user, go down to see user key. That's the setting the buttons, and go to PF2. That's where you're going to see how to get it to beacon TX. There it was there. That's good. I was just wondering where, if we go to the long press one, just go number 1. Spectrum's there. Just wondering where the beacon, where they put the beacon list. If it's in the shortcuts, speed modulation, GPS, APRS switch, Bluetooth. Yeah, not seeing that, but I'm sure it's in there somewhere. Anyway, the latest firmware's on there. I'll do another video using APRS. Bye for now.